Would you like to sing us a song? Okay, let's go. Yay! Zumi, are you still there? Zumi, Ravix, Zumi, Andy, come on, you sing also. Come on, guys. Cherry, Cherry. Mommy Kate, are you still here? Ayan o,
Hello.
good evening, Miles. He's big na. Ha? Ayan, I can hear you now. Thank you, Mommy. And he went back to sleep. Hi. Okay, let's listen to Miles. Yay!
I'm only human. I'm only human. Maybe I'm foolish, maybe I'm blind. You can see through this and see what's behind. Got no way to prove it, maybe I'm blind. But I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put your blame on me. Don't put your blame on me. Take a look in the mirror, and what do you see? Is you see clearer, or are you to see what you believe? 'Cause I'm only human after all. You're only human after all. Don't put your blame on me. Don't put your blame on me. Oh, some people got a real rubber. Some people out of love. Some people think I can solve it. Lord heavens above, I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put your blame on me. Don't put your blame on me. Wait, that means I'm gonna kill you now. Don't ask my opinion, don't ask me to lie. Don't beg for forgiveness, making you cry. Making you cry. 'Cause I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put your blame on me. Don't put your blame on me. Oh, some people got a real rubber. Some people out of love. Some people think I can solve them. Lord heavens above, I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put your blame on me. Don't put your blame on me. I'm only human, I made mistakes. I'm only human, that's all it takes. Don't put your blame on me. Don't put your blame on me. I'm no prophet or Messiah. Should go looking somewhere. Oh, yeah. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put your blame on me. Don't put your blame on me. I'm only human. I do what I can. I'm just a man. I do what I can. Don't put your blame on me. Don't put your blame on me.
Yay! Guys, can you see the difference now from before the Miles that, Yeah, he's awesome, right? That's just a song for before the event, but he will be still singing later. Thank you. Thank you. And of course, the party bus, you enjoy it?
Yeah, Tammy, I'm gonna kill you now.
All right, thank you. Daddy Arena, hi, chill. Thank you for coming back. Thank you. We're still waiting for Ange, so thank you so much. I'll be asking Cherry if you're still here, Cherry, if you want to sing for us. Zumi, are you still here, Zumi? Ravix, can you sing, guys? Thank you. Mommy Kate. Thank you. Daddy Young Reno, are you still here? Daddy Young Reno? Okay, let's ask Cherry to sing something
Oh
for
my
us.
goodness, ang laki.
Okay lang, gano'n ba kayo?
So big naman.
No, that's fine lang. Okay, so guys, we're just waiting for Ange. I'm so
Hello
sorry,
everyone.
yeah,
Hi
she just got
Miles,
home, I
Cloud,
think, so
and
we're still waiting.
everybody.
All right, so
Okay,
one
hello.
of the best singers that we have. Everybody's good tonight. Thank you so much, Jumi. Come on, we're gonna ask Cherry to sing something for us. Yay,
Alright.
Jade. Hello, Mommy Kate. Thank you. All right, let's hear it from Cherry before anything else.
Alright.
Chill, wala pa si Ansha. Pasensya na po. Let's wait.
Nakakabahan ako. Ayan, Ange!
Ange, okay, wait lang. Let's hear from Cherry first. Thank
All right.
you. Yay. Okay. Get ready after her, okay? Thank you.
Shot through the heart and you're too bad. Darling, you give love a bad name. An angel smile is what you sound. You promised me heaven and you put me through hell. Chains of love got a hold on me. The passions of prison you can't break free. Whoa, you're a loaded gun, yeah. Whoa, there's nowhere to run. No one can save me. The damage is done. Shot through the heart and you're to blame. You give love a bad name. I play my part and you play your game. You give love a bad name. You give love a bad name. In your smile, on your lips, blood red nails on your fingertips. Schoolboy's dream, you act so shy. Your very first kiss was your first kiss goodbye. Whoa, you're loaded gun. Whoa, there's nowhere to run. No one can save me. The damage is done. Shut through the heart and you're to blame. You give love a bad name. I play my part and you play your game. You give love a bad name. You give love. Shut through your heart and you're to blame. You give love a bad name. I play my part and you play your game. You give love a bad name. To the heart and you're to blame. You give love a bad name. I play my part and you play your game. You give love a bad name. You give love. You give love. Bad name. You give love. You give love. A bad day. You give love. You give love. A bad day. You give love. You give love. A bad day. All right.
Yay!
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys for doing doing all this. Thank you so much.
All right. Miss you, Miss
Terry, I'll see you
Elaine,
later.
Miles
I'll see you
Proud.
later, okay? Thank you. Thank you, guys. Mami Kate, oo nga. Bago itong account ko kasi. Yeah, everybody is almost having a new accounts, ma'am. Thank you po. Salamat po. All right. So, we're Mami and Sweetie. Oh my God, everybody's coming now. Ange, let's go. Yo! Yay! So, thanks. Oh, you're welcome po. All right, Ange, anytime you're ready, we will be waiting for you in the box, okay? So let me start with it. Everybody, thank you so much for being here. Welcome everyone to the event of the night. That would be Odiva and Odiva and okay, so everybody knows that she is a diva, so that's it. So we'll start off with her singing her song. And then after she sang, she's going to introduce herself. I mean, she's going to tell things about herself. And of course, the next one is her song. And then we'll ask Chill to give us the first song as a guest. Okay? So is that clear? And are you ready? Okay. All right. Be ready. You're going to be the big screen. Okay? Yay! Everybody's welcome, Mommy Ann. How are you? Mommy Kate, everybody, and of course, Ravix, Zumi, Miles, Demi, everyone who's here. Thank you, Marimar Polly, of course. Ange, how are you?
I'm doing okay.
Okay.
Okay lang.
I know. Well, Ange is one of the Ghani's pretty ladies. And she's the diva. That's the reason why our event tonight is called Oh Diva. And okay, so good evening. I hope you're ready.
Yep, I am.
Sweetie, you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay, guys, let's hear from our featured artist of the month. That's Ange. Thank you. Karaoke, beer.
I must be crazy now. Maybe I'll get too long. But when I think of you, I long to feel the autumn, to a spell in your feet, words that I all the time, girls only you could be. If only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should have made my move when you looked in my eyes. Yes, I know that you feel the way that I do. And I was proud as was like you by my side. I love you. They say you love me too. This rewards take a chance and lines forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. So today I finally find a courage deep inside. Just to walk out to your door. But my body gets cool when I finally get to it. We could tell sometimes before. to just reach out and hold me tight. Say you love me too. Please say you love me too. This river take a turn to life forever, and I promise you that we will always be together. Oh, love you. Please say you love me too. Please say you love me too. I love you. Together Thank you.
Yay! I don't think anybody would like to go after that
Oh.
song. Sige na. Good night, everybody.
Good night.
Hi, good night. I think she's even tired, and she's singing that. Ah! Okay, the heck, right? Okay. Good evening, and yay! Thank you for doing this with us. Thank you for for doing the show for this month. She's actually supposed to be doing this last month. Sick, guys. I got a virus, and I cannot tell what type of virus that is. So I'd be quiet about it, okay? So that's why I didn't do it. All right. So thank you. All right. Please tell me things about you. Introduce yourself. You know what, guys? I've known Ange for a long time. She's also part of our first, right?
Yeah.
The first competition that I had, and she landed, our second. And look at her now. Oh my God, she's one of those Daganis ladies na. Okay. And really, she's doing really good shows talaga. Okay, so let's be here. Everybody, let's hear from Ange. Please introduce yourself, and then after that, you can sing another song. Thank you.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Good evening and good morning. I am Ange. I've been a diva, halftime show diva, since October. So I've been singing here in Tag like over almost 4 years now. And yeah, I'm also aside from here singing here in the app, I've been singing in a choir here in my place. Been competing internationally, like last 2022. Been in the Busan International Busan choral competition. Um, we represent the Philippines, and we have able to get the 2 gold diplomas. So yeah, thank you. So also we will be competing next year in Singapore, representing Philippines again. So yeah, thank you everyone.
Yay! See, she's really a professional singer, and she's winning gold for the Philippines. So we should really be proud that we have her in tag. Thank you. And all right, what is your second song for everyone? Guys, don't forget to appreciate Ancho. Just cook Dagani girl to, oh. Diva to, oh. Diva ni Dagani. So, thank you. What's your next song?
I'll be singing Titanium.
Huh?
Titanium by
Thank you. Oh my God. Oh, sige na, uwian na talaga to. Next, guys, we're gonna go home after this. Okay. All right, let's hear it from Angie. Andy, are you still here, Andy? Thank you, guys.
Okay, this is my song.
Oh my God. Everybody's going home. Good night, everyone. Thank you so much. Hindi ka naman galit, ha? Thank you so much. And I'll give you a rest, and then I will have to ask Chill to sing for us. Are you ready, Chill? Are you done with your eggs na? Yay! Thank you
Okay.
so much. And Chill is one of our guests. We will be asking her to give us a song also. Thank you, Ange. Get some rest first while while still going on with Okay na, si Chill naman. And then up next will be, where's Charm? Is she coming? Daters, are you here na? Daters, baby. Thank you, guys. Mommy Ann, are you still here? Mommy Derry? Anyone who's still here, please press 1. Andy, Ollie, Marimar, are you still here? Miles, you have to be next after Ange sings again, okay?
Hello po.
Yay! That's a chill.
Good evening.
Hi.
Si Charm,
Good
chinachat ko
evening.
pa po kasi ano yung phone niya nasira.
Daters.
Pero, chinachat ko pa baka
Oh.
makaano siya ng ibang.
Makahiram. Okay lang. Okay lang naman. Later sis here na. Yay! Alright. Congratulations.
Baby.
Huh?
Thank you. Thank
I
you.
heard that she won. Yay! First prize. Wow. Ang
Thank you
gagaling
sa mga
naman ng guest
judges
tonight.
at sa sponsor ng contest.
Oh,
Hi
congratulations.
guys, I'm Chill
God.
from the Philippines, and I've been streaming and sing in the apps since 2020. Yeah.
Wow. 2020, so it's been 5 years na rin, ano? Tatagal na natin
when the
dito.
pandemic starts. Because I lost my job, so I find this app. You can earn this since I love singing, so I download it.
Very right. Very good, right? Okay, so what are we going to hear from Chill tonight? The champion?
Again, I will try to sing this song, guys. I really love this song.
Okay. Let's hear it from Chill, guys. Thank you. Meow, meow.
By music po.
Yeah, music. I can hear your song. Thank you.
Tonight, it's hard to stay my home. I feel like taking a walk. I can't stand the blues that you play on me. The time you first took a sip by me, you looked to me as you were a dream. And suddenly I made up my mind. By the look in your eyes, I knew it's surprise that somehow burns on love right now. I'm suddenly in love, still needing someone who's hurting this sweet and wide away. You're the miner, you're the miner, you're the miner who sleep the night away. You're the miner, you're the miner, you're the miner who sleep the night away. Thank you. Please promise me you'll change your mind. I just can't figure it out. Oh, and that's really fast day by day. You're searching for a reason you're waiting on. They say to me I can't get my blood in veins. But the look in your eyes, I knew with surprise that somehow burns on love on now. And so you love, so needed someone who suddenly sleep and night away. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind her, we sleep and night away. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind her, we sleep and night away. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind her, we sleep and night away. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind her, we sleep and night away. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's something from Colors.
Yay! Tama ba? Ako ba yung nasa malaking box or ikaw ang nasa malaking box? What can you see from your end?
Sa akin, ako po yung nasa maliit na box.
Oh my God, alam mo nasa malaking box ka sa akin. Oh my God.
Pero
Ano
hindi ko
kaya
alam sa
yan,
iba,
ikaw
baka
talaga,
naglag din
no?
kasi ako.
Yeah, but that was really good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Very, very nice. Thank you. The champion is here. Si Chill. Thank you guys. Okay, change ko lang ha para yan. Okay, so ito na, normal na to. Okay. Demi, thank you. All right, thank you, Chill. Thank you for singing and joining us tonight. Thank you so much. Okay. Ange, if you're ready, we're ready. Thank you, Chill. Good night. Are you ready now, Ange? We'll have to hear from Ange her third song. Zumi, thank you, Demi. Laters. You're gonna be next after Miles, okay? All right, so this time, who is in the bigger box? Kasi iba yun, kay ikaw lang, yay. Iba yung nakikita ko dito eh. All right, thank you so much. Again, we will be listening from Ange. This is her third song. Guys, let me remind you, we only have an hour to do the event. So I always do that. We make sure that it's just an hour, okay? So thank you very much, Ange. What song are we gonna hear again? Yay! No, anong no ka dyan, Jada?
All by myself.
Oh my God. O sige na nga. Diva talaga. She's really a diva. O, diva, Ange. Let's hear it from her. Yay!
When I was young,
JP!
I never needed anyone. Making love was just for fun. Those days are gone. Even alone, think of all the friends I've known. When I doubted on the phone, nobody's home. All by myself, don't wanna be all by myself anymore. Hard to be sure. Sometimes I feel so insecure. Love to just have an excuse. Remains with you. All by myself. when I was young, never needed anyone. Making love was just for fun. Those days are gone. Oh, boys, don't wanna be all by myself anymore.
Louis, thank you. All right, thank you, Ange. Really? Are you okay, Ange? Is everyone okay here listening to her? Yay! Sino ang kaaway mo? Bakit ba sobrang sama ng loob mo? All right, thank you so much. Ange, we will be asking Miles, will you be gentleman enough to let Later's baby sing first before you? Or would you like to sing now? Which is which? Tell me. Miles, come on. Jade. Alrighty. Let me know. Later's baby or Miles? Miles first. Okay, let's call on Miles. Thank you so much, Ange. I'll see you again. Okay? Thank you, Louis. Thank you very much for this. Okay? Rock, paper, scissors. No, you go up now. Okay, let's go. Thank you guys who's still here. Zumi, Andy, Polly, are you still here? Laters, I see you. Cherry, are you still here? Marimar, are you still here? Hi, Lam. Thank you for joining. All right, here we go. Let me know if I'm in the bigger box or I am in a small box.
Hello.
What can you see from your end? Am I the one in the smaller box or in the bigger box?
I'm the bigger box for me.
Good job, Miles. So, are we going to expect you to sing that way also, Miles?
Sure, I can try.
Okay. All right. Thank you anyway. Thank you guys for coming. We're on our event. That's Audiva. And let's go and listen to another diva, Miles. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining.
All right, let's go. I'll show my diva later when I dance.
Ow!
I heard you coming there to go to deal free. close the door, lay down next to me. But then I heard you say his name in your sleep. Your dirty secret's about to go to keep. Yeah. About to lose my heart. I am
Wait, the meat.
about to lose my mind, my mind. About to lose my mind, my mind. I think about you all the time.
Salamat.
You can't even look me dead in the eye. Her love is strong, she got you hypnotized. You say you love me, but I know it's a lie. And I work so hard to keep you satisfied. I'm about to lose my heart. I am. I'm about to lose my mind, my mind. About to lose my mind, my mind. About to lose my how could you do this to me? Yeah. No way she can take you away from me. And I sure won't stay, but I'll be damned if I ever leave. No way, she won't take you away from me. Oh, and I sure won't stay, but I'll be damned if I ever leave. Anybody know what I'm talking about? No way she can take you away from me. No way, and I sure won't stay, but I'll be damned if I leave. In my mind, my mind, I think about you all the time. My mind, you'll always be mine.
Hey. Thank you, everyone. Wait, the meat.
Oh my God. So I see the pirate. Hi, Lemmy. How are you, Lem? Thank you. So you will be singing or dancing. Hi, Mr. I don't want to say that name, huh? Are you going to be dancing or singing the last time?
I can dance if you want. I don't mind.
Okay. All right. Later. Yay.
Now or singing?
No,
again?
no, no. Later, after the last song of Ange, you can dance. Okay? Dance, dance. Yeah, later. Yeah. All right. Moving on. Let's go and ask Ange to go up again on her fourth song. After the fourth song, let's move on with Later's Baby. If Charm is around, then Charm is going to be the next one. Is she here? Havo, are you still here, Havo? Havo? Havo. Am I in the big screen, the smaller screen? This is really the problem. Okay, I'll make myself smaller. Now I'm gonna make you bigger. That's it, the large one. Yay. Havo, yay, hi. Now if Charm is not coming,
Oops, yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh! Ay! Okay, lagi. Hey, ito na. Meow. The end.
maybe, kasi when I went back, puro black screen na. I cannot see anybody na talaga. So sorry, sayang naman. Ang dami na nating bisita, sayang. Oh my God. Okay, thank you, Claude. Can you hear me, Claude? Can you guys hear me? Sayang naman. Sayang talaga. Ay, nako. Yan ang sinasabi ko eh. Thank you, guys. Laters, thank you. Miles, thank you. Okay. Okay. No problem. Sige lang po. Wala pa. Hintayin na naman natin si Angie ko. Bukas na. Ayan na. Hey, Lem. Thanks for joining ako. Ay, ako. Parang alam ko to. Parang alam ko tong mga ex-senang to. Okay. Thank you so much, Lemmy. Okay. And sorry, I don't know what happened now. So it's not my fault. It's not even my internet's fault. I think it's, tag is tripping. So I don't know. Oh my God. Louis, thank you. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. Okay, so let's wait a little bit more. Okay lang ba? One more song, right? One song and then laters. And then after laters, we'll ask Miles to dance, okay? Thank you for joining us tonight. Okay, Don Louis. Who is Don? Is he like a Don Johnson? Teka muna, let's wait for everyone to come back. Oh my God, nakakainis naman. Yay, talaga. How are you? How's the contest na pala? Demi! Ay, Mr. Again, I cannot mention your name. Oh my God. Everyone, please come back na. Thank you for joining us tonight, Mr. Meng Meng. Meng Meng, thank you. Let me thank you. I'm waiting. Let's just wait for a little bit more. But if it's all right with you, Ange, you can start singing again with your song. And then after that, we'll ask Laters to sing. Is it okay? Tanggalin ko muna tong date ko, ha? Most rich man on tag. So who is the most rich man in tag? Louis? Louis? Oh. Okay. Edge, thank you. Thank you for doing this to us, okay? I mean, it's my honor to have a Dagani diva doing the, Winnie! Where's Christine? I saw her earlier. Yeah. Okay. All right, Wimi. Okay, so let's start. If Demi is back, right? Demi, are you here? Miles, let's go. Let's do this now, okay, so that we can end this. Ay nako, Miles, you can't end. You cannot wait to end this na, ha? You want an alone time with ano, ha? No, I'm just kidding. I know. All right. Okay, Ange. Let's wait for Ange. Maybe she's just trying to rest for a little bit because she's been singing like those high notes. Ay nako, Ange. Ano nangyari, Ange? Okay, sorry. That wasn't my fault though, but I'm really very sorry because alam mo naman, it's always happening. Okay? Nakakainis no, sayang. Everybody's here na eh.
It happens to me too.
A lot. Yeah, it happens to me too. Yeah. And I saw that also when I was watching Lem. Yeah, with her contest. And it was really frustrating to watch like that, right? Okay, guys. Tayo na lang. Let's hear it from Ange. Is this your fourth song? What song is this?
The singing, writing on the wall.
Wow. O sige, di ko na lang alam yan. Okay. Alright, let's hear it from Ange. Hi, The Fox. Thank you so much for joining us. Relive na po kami. Bye-bye. Sana po ang nakakaalam yan. Ako go na. Okay.
I've been here before, but always seemed to belong. I spent a lifetime running, and I always get away. But we do often something that makes me wanna stay. I'm prepared for this. Never should to me. But I feel like a storm is coming. If I'm gonna make it through the day, then there's no use in running. There's something I gotta face. If I risk it all, here to break my fall. I live, I do hungry, but you're not here. I'm suffocating. I wanna feel love run through my blood. Some resistance where I give it all for you. I have to risk it all. 'Cause the writing's on the wall. Million stars of glass haunts me from my past. As this heart begins to gather and light begins to fade and hope begins to shatter, know that I'll be afraid if I risk it all. Could you break my fall? I do hungry, I cannot breathe, suffocating. I wanna feel love run through my blood. Tell me is this, but I give it all up for you. I have to risk it all. 'Cause the writing's on the writing's on the wall.
Buti na lang na-end ko yun, ano? Kung hindi, kanina pa tayo na-end talaga. Hindi, no, I didn't, it's nothing like, it happens all the time now that, your streams will just end without you knowing it. So I was talking and talking to you. I thought you're still hearing me, and then all of a sudden everything is gone. I'm sorry. Okay, but thank you so much. That was a beautiful song. Thank you so much, Ange. Yay! Now, okay, you have to tell me if I'm gonna go down in the small box. Okay. There you go. We will be asking haters to come and go up in the box now. Just making sure. Thank you, Ange. And you still have one last song, okay? Thank you. Love, love. Thank you so much. Maurice, thank you very much. Thank you so much for coming. Anybody who's still here? My God. Okay, now we're waiting for Laters. Are you still there? Laters? Hello? Hello, girl? Are you here? Go up in the box na po. Yay! Now we're waiting for Laters. Charm, is she here already? Is she coming? I'm silent. Complete silence na. Where is Laters? Laters? Are you gonna go sing Laters? Yeah. Who's still here? Lemmy? Hala? Nasaan yung mga tao? Demi! I was saying, Debbie here. I know. Debbie, baby. Okay. Laters? Jump and dance, Demi. Oh my God. Why is it like everything is about Demi and Miles tonight? Oh my God. Tomorrow I'm gonna stream again, huh? Wimmy, are you still here? Wimmy? Where is Christine? Is she here? We're just gonna have one more dance from Miles, and then we're gonna have another song from Laters. Louie, are you still here? Lem, are you here? Nobody's here na. Ange! Ange, are you still here, Ange? Oh my goodness. Yeah. He always do that. Okay. Okay. Wala na si Laters. Okay. Cherry! Yeah, I did a real live na wala po ang stream ko. Nadaglag po siya. Okay? I have a star. Thank you from the star. Okay? Thank you, guys. Okay. Hello. Okay. Anyone here? The Foxy. Hi. Nag-relive po ako, sakit sa ulo. 7. I know. And I don't know where did Laters go. Okay, maybe 8. What's the countdown all about? Let's go now. Laters? Are you gonna sing Laters? Or are you gonna sing now? Ano nangyayari, asan siya? Okay, let's go up. Miles, no. Let's just ask, okay. Maybe she's here na. Yay! There she goes now. Oh, there she
Ang hirap
goes.
umakyat, ha?
There she goes again. She's gone.
Bakit tagilid?
Are you there? Oh, she's gone.
I'm here.
Nabuang na kayo, day. Okay. Where is she? Where is she now? Who's here now? Oh my goodness. Okay. So what are we going to do? Can I ask Ange to go up again? Or let's wait for Later's baby? Which one do you like to do? Or would you like to do? Oh, that was too fast. Hold on. Ravix is back. Hi, Ravix. I'm sorry. It wasn't my fault. Okay, it was Stan. Thank you, thank you. Okay,
Oh,
later,
may-
we're gonna
ay.
try. Ah! Ay, Diyos ko naman po. Uwi na rin ako.
I'm not prepared. I'm so sorry.
Not so much. I can tell, you know. Let's make
Yeah.
her a big picture. Is she bigger or I'm still in the big picture?
Bakit mo ako nilakihan? Medium lang.
Yan lang.
Can I request for a medium box?
Cleopatra,
Laki ko.
kaya pala, gagano, no?
Oo, ano ba kakantahin ko?
Okay. Guys, I'm
Game
so
na.
sorry. I need to do a real live because, like what I said, Tago's tripping. And now I have to have these beautiful people in my stream. So thank you so much. Ay, wala ka na naman. Ano nangyari? Huwag niyo muna daw bigyan ng gift kasi daw. Ay, Cleopatra is gone. Okay.
Kasi sabi ko medium lang eh. Laki.
Now, I
Ang
want
laki
everyone
niyan.
to see you because you're so beautiful, okay? And if I do the
Init.
init daw, nainitan sila.
Yan,
That's
ganyan
better.
lang.
All right, everybody.
Okay, let's go.
We will be hearing from a Cleopatra tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, men, ladies,
Do you want to see Miss Love Me dance?
Lola! 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 No way!
I think they want you to dance. Why
Okay,
did
I'll be dancing from where I am at. Okay, I'm dancing.
Bakit ka nagbay?
I can. I
Ay,
won't
we're not
show
going to
myself.
start the song if you don't.
I'm
Yan,
dancing.
mga ganyan.
Tumigil. 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 Okay,
Alright, let's go.
Go back. Yay!
Miss Love Me, let's go dance. Come on.
Cleopatra was a queen like me, yeah, just like me. Straight hair in between, yeah, in between. Betrayed by a lover, so hard to recover. Couldn't see the forest through my crease, just like me, oh, in too deep. There was no intervention. I was lost, falling in love with myself. I was so filled with tension. Getting mad was my cry for help. Now I'm back with a vengeance. I found my inner voice again, and it speaks to my soul loud and clear. And it sounds like this. Come on.
Miss Love Me, magpakita ka.
Let me Cleopatra. La 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 la, la 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 la. La Cleopatra. La 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 la, la 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 la. La Cleopatra.
Bakit ako nilakihan?
Cleopatra, Mark Antony, you know who I mean, like the Latin king, the one from Rome who lived long ago after seaside that gigolo. A goddess, a temptress, the way he left me, it was shameless. She was the worst enemy, just like me, yeah, just like me. No, but I'm back with a vengeance. I found my inner voice again, and it speaks to my soul loud and clear, and it sounds like this.
Sumayaw ka, Miss Love Me. Ganun.
La Cleopatra. La 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 la, la 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 la. La Cleopatra. La 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 la, la 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 la. La Cleopatra.
Come on, Miss Love Me. Manong ka.
Spirit runs through me. I can see it in my eye like a movie. Egyptian and Latin, the voices run through me. Come to me. Come on. La 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 la, la 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 la. La Cleopatra. La 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 la, la 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 la. La Cleopatra. Tingnan ako. La 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 la. La Cleopatra. La 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 la, la 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 la. Cleopatra. Let's go. Hinihingal ako.
Bakit may
Ayan,
ingay?
bye.
Bakit may ingay, ha, Claudia? Bakit? Yay!
You'll
Happy
be a
na
mommy.
Thank you
very
so
much.
That is a good song. And you really look like Cleopatra.
Iingat,
Sige na. Okay na. I let go for now. Thank you,
Alright,
haters.
bye-bye.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
so
thank
much.
you.
Love, love. Thank you very much. Okay. So I'm the bigger one now. Okay. Let's go and call in Ange for your last song. Thank you. And then after that, we will ask Miles to dance for us tonight. Is that okay, guys? Is that okay? Don't run. No running. Oy, no running. Dance and then Demi will dance also. Okay. Bahama ko na lahat tao dito. Okay. Okay. And then we will have another song from Cherry. Cherry, are you still here? Havo, are you here? Is Havo still here? I don't see her yet. Okay. Shit. Okay. Thank you guys for coming. Everybody, I'm so sorry but I really need to do a vlog. Ano na? Pagod na yung diva natin. Sorry na kasi, gabi na tayo. Okay, let's do on the larger view.
Yep.
Okay, all right. Good night, guys. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. Our artist or for our featured artist of the month, and thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you very, 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 very much. I really appreciate you. The moment I saw you the first competition, I know you're gonna go somewhere, and here you are. Yay! I really believe in your talent, guys. The first time she went to my stream to audition, I already knew it. She's gonna go somewhere. All the way. All right. Thank you so much. And this is her last song for tonight. She looks tired. I'm so sorry. Okay, but
It's okay.
she's so tired. Anyway, thank you, Ange. What's your last song for us tonight?
I'll sing Tagalog.
Okay,
Naririnig mo ba?
Ha?
Naririnig mo ba?
Naririnig kita. Naririnig ko siya, di ba? Anyway, like what I said, I really appreciate Ange. Like what I said, I appreciate her talent. And congratulations for being part of the Gunnies family. Yay! Thank you very much also. Guys, if I will be doing the competition again, it's going to be the Battle of the Champions, and she's part of it. And later, she's part of it. So all those people who are in the top 4, they're all going to come back for the battle. But no, Miles, you're a judge. Okay, let's hear it from Ange, the Tagalog. Naririnig mo ba? Let's hear it from her. Thank you.
Hawak mo ang aking kamay. Pag-ibig mo'y walang kapantay. Sa piling ko, mundo'y nag-iba. Paulit-ulit mong binibigkas. Mahal kita. Pagmamahal ko sa'yo'y walang hangganan. Panaginip ko, ikaw ang laman. Ikot ang ating mundo hanggang nawala at bago. Ang agad sana mong lumayo. Hindi ako bibitaw sa'yo. At ikaw ng puso ko. Sa'yo ako'y hindi susuko. Mahal na
naman yun. Yay! Yay! That was really fun. Yay! Thank you so much. Appreciate it. And I know pagod ka na, but I'm really thankful and very much. Thank you. I can't say anything anymore, but good night. Thank you for being here. And of course, we will be watching Miles dance and then another song from Cherry before we end it. Okay? Thank you, Ange. Love. Polly, you're back. Thank you. It wasn't my fault. It's Tag who's tripping.
Yes.
So, thank you. Yeah, she smashed it. She has an amplifier, as like what they said. Okay? So, are you ready? Miles, yay! Sherry, are you ready? Okay. Break a leg, Miles. Break your leg. Don't break your leg. Which one do you prefer, guys? Medium size or the large one? Large view or medium? Because I'm gonna be there. I don't want people to see me. No? Large. Okay, that's good. Yay! All right, let's see. Please, somebody give me a record of this. Okay, break the left. Ay, left pala. Okay, let's go, Miles! Yay! Where's Debbie? Debbie, don't forget to record it, huh? Okay, let's go. Yay! Hoy, Demi. Are you hallucinating or something? Why are you giving me a bus? Very good. Thank you, Miles. Thank you. That's for him. I know. Let's talk about it later, okay? Yay! Well, guys, I'm confused always with beatbox. Yeah, I know. Thank you so much, Miles. In love na naman to eh. Ayoko na nga kayo. Ano ba kayo? Does anybody knows if but still manage? I know. Anyway, thank you so much. Miles, your eyes, huh? Huh? I said it's so easy to my eyes it also. Oh. Alright. Anyway, thank you so much, Miles. Again, thank you so much. Demi, let's talk about it later, okay? Alright, thank you. We will be asking Cherry to sing again for us tonight. Thank you. Oi, Demi. Thank you, Miles. Miles, I know that you already have another guesting by July. So it's Mommy Rosie. I think she already have requested for you as a guest. Okay, so it's Mommy Rosie who's gonna be doing the featured artist of the month, and of course Cherry. Yay! Yeah, it's all good. Hi, Demi. All right, thank you, Cherry. Are you here? We're gonna be hearing one last song from Cherry, and then it's drinking time. Winnie, Christine, are you still here? I still have my beer, okay? Hoy! Itong babae, ito kulit mo. Sige na, Cherry, where did you go na? We here. Of course. I can't wait to drink also. Thank you so much, Ange. Are you still here, love? Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you for coming. Demi, purutin ko yung singit mo. I know, because I need to read live. I don't see. Oh, yeah. Okay, Cherry, are you still here, Cherry? One last song, let's go. Let's go. No. What do you mean no? Ha? Ay, nako. Ang kulit itong dalawang to. Mag-usap na kaya, go. The heck? I won't stream no more, sira ulo. Saka pa. Cherry, are you still here? Cherry? Laters and are you still here? Anybody who's still here? Cherry, let's go. Miles, thank you. Laters, be back, guys. Why? Where are you going? Laters, thank you. Thank you, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed the night. And you're welcome. Thank you. Laters, we'll talk about, ha? We'll talk about soon. Siguro ikaw yung maging, by November, October, November. We've talked about this last year, hindi natuloy, If you're free. I already have two for July, and then August I also have. So maybe, hopefully September, October. Is that okay, laters? In London? Oh, why don't you do the show in London? Oh, di ba? 5 songs naman. Also, Brandy is gonna be she's gonna be a guest singer also by August. September ka na lang. Okay lang sa'yo? Okay. All right, Cherry, are you still here? If Cherry's not gonna be here na, hi, Jade, thank you. Jade, go up in the box, come on. Thank you, guys. Good night, everyone. Thank you for joining us tonight. Louie,